Tapos stretch. 10 minutes yan ha. So ngayon mag-ensayo tayo guys. This is the first ever training Jason talaga. Simula nang bumalik siya. Nakita niyo naman nung time na nag-visit siya, pinag-usapan namin yung training namin. And ngayon na umpisa natin. It's 5:30 AM. Medyo wala pang tao. It's Sunday ngayon so kailangan mas maaga tayo dahil usually pag Sunday madaming tao naglalaro dito. So what we have to do is to make more time na available yung court para sa atin. And there's no other way kundi mas agahan. Actually medyo late na kami ngayon pero it's okay. First time naman natin. And kaya ang tatrabahuin natin is finishing ni Jason. Sasabay na rin natin si Gab dahil halos parehas naman silang lalaruin. Mga 2-3 si Gab, si Jason, 2 lalaruin nito. More on slashing. Ngayon ang tatrabahuin natin talaga in the span of how many months is walang iba kundi finishing Jason. Which focuses on, ang priority is yung shooting niya sa perimeter, yung footwork niya. Like mga footwork ni Kobe. Kasi doon siya mostly nag-end up. And mga floater, mid-range, kailangan maging mas, kumbaga mas simple yung finishing niya para mas maging efficient siya. So, tatrabahoy din namin yung mga finishing ni Kyrie. Pero yung mga yun yung mga parang it's time for fun dun sa inside namin to give more excitement. So, magagagawin niya rin naman sa game yun pero hindi yun yung pinaka-priority. Pero it's good na kailangan kumbaga control din niya yung katawan niya sa area, left and right. Kaya lahat ng klase ng finishing. Pero mostly ng oras namin mauubos sa mga perimeter types of pull-ups, mga 1 dribble, 2 dribble pull-up, mga pump fake, half spin, fade away, and of course yung outside shooting niya. Pero ngayon mag-uumpisa muna tayo dun sa perimeter. Hindi ko alam kung magagawa natin lahat yun dahil masyado marami yung kumbaga yung 4 na category na yun. 3-point area, perimeter area, floater, and yung different types of finishing left and right. Yung when you go hard to the basket. Di ko alam kung magagawa natin lahat yun ngayon pero doon tayo mag-uumpisa at tingin ko doon maubos yung oras natin. Mostly on the perimeter work. So legs, stretch yung maayos. Game. Tara. Warm up tayo. 1 dribble lang muna tayo sa jab. Jab, 1 dribble. Pull up. Just make 3. Warm up muna tayo. Jab. Go. And then we go pull up. Go. Good job. Ups, no extra steps. Just 1, 2, gab, and then pull up. Quick. Nice one. Perfect. Go. Go, kabila. Warm up lang. Ready. Nice one. Gab, medyo mabagal pero work on it. Okay, importante yung last 2 steps. Nice one. 1, quick. Paso. Mabagal yung Gab. Kailangan pag dribble mo, Gab, ma-pick up mo ka agad, tapos makaangat ka. Okay, 1 more. Swanson. Nice one. Go, quick, go! Perfect. Quick, go. Nice one. Okay, Son, may konting delay sa pag-angat mo from here to here, para nakita ko pagdating dito, inaayos mo muna bago mo maiangat. Na ang goal natin is maging comfortable ka. Pagdating mo dito, pag dribble mo, as if yung motion ng dribble from ground to here, parang tuloy-tuloy, walang post dito. Ay, maangat mo ka agad. Ready? Go! Nice one. Mas maganda. Quick, go! Nice one. Okay. Now, same drill. We'll work on the angle naman ng pull-up mo. Very important. Both of you, ito napapansin ko sa inyo, even if you make space, for example, mabilis to. Medyo na-delay siya and pag angat mo, medyo papunta pa lang siya doon. So pag angat mo, yung momentum niya is going there, doon kayo magkakaroon ng separation. Pero we want to add more separation. By what? Making more angle. Okay? Give more fade pagdating dito. Parehas kayo pag nag-pull up kayo palusog. So kahit magkaroon siya ng space, if he has long arms, kahit papano, he will be able to recover. Okay, so dagdagan natin ng konting angle sa fade natin. Para pagdating mo dito, if you create separation, tapos bigla ka pang a little bit of fade, magkakaroon ka ng mas more separation. Okay? So what we're gonna work on is the angle from here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wag pa forward. Okay, sometimes you do the forward, it depends on the situation. Pero dito sa specific drill na to, Lagyan natin ng fade. Okay? Ready? Nice one, Son. Go. Son. Medyo pa straight pa yon, Gab. Ready? Go! Nice one, Son. Mas maganda. Sige, ito ka na. Go. Go. Fade. Nice one. Perfect. Hindi, ganun talaga. Di ka sanay. Yun yung mga tatrabahuhin natin eh. Go, quick, go! Ups, Gab. Straight lang yun. That's just pure straight. Okay, lagyan natin ng konting angle lang. Konti lang. Nice one. Nung nilagyan na natin ng fade, Son, bumagal naman siya. So there's always something na nasa-sacrifice if may dinadagdag tayo. So what we try to do is we add something but we don't sacrifice the first detail. Okay? Ready? Go! Nice one. Sige lang. Pansin mo, nag-iba? May konting fade kasi it takes away your balance. Come on. Work on it. Go! Nice one. Perfect. Go. Go! Nice one, Son. Perfect. Go. Quick! Nice one. Okay, ito yung rhythm ng last 2 steps na dapat marinig mo. Okay? Hindi ganito. What do I mean by this one? Ito, pakinggan mo. 1, 2. And then makapull up ka kagad. Come on. Pakinggan mo yun. Nice one. Good, go! Go, Son. Medyo mahirap yung ginagawa mo kasi if you're here, Son, tapos ang atake mo is going there sa 3-point corner, medyo mahirap yun. What you have to do is, instead of going 3-point corner, medyo i-angle mo dito, Son. Going here. Not really straight to the basket, pero medyo dito, Son. Bakit? Kasi if ako defender mo, for example, ito. Going to 3-point corner ka, ito yung lateral ko. Get me? From here, ito. Pero, pag ang inatake mo is this one, for example, itong baseline corner na yan. Pag inatake mo yan, ito yung lateral ko. Okay, so mas bubuka ako. Pag bumuka ako, you'll have more space. Get me? So, ang atake not there. Masyadong papunta sa side. Okay, medyo atake mo forward here. This one. Good. Nice one. Mas maganda. Nice one, Gab. Fade mo ng konti, Gab. Dito atake sa akin. Go! Nice one. Perfect. Go! Gab, i-pull up mo. Pull up mo. Jump shot mo. Quick, go! Son, dito. Nice one. Okay. Yung tunog ng paa mo, Son. Tandaan mo to, ha. Okay, ready? Set, go. Quick, go! Perfect. Kailangan, you'll miss. Pero walang problema yun. Gab, you just going straight. Okay, lagyan mo ng konting fade. Come on. Nice one, Son. Medyo nawawala sa balance, ha? Pero that's the goal. Makontrol mo yung katawan mo. Okay, wala pang bump yan. Go! Nice one. Good job. Go! Gab, lagyan mo ng konting fade. Yan. You get me? Nice one. Perfect. Okay? Kaya napapansin mo, if you put more fade, you'll be out of balance. Ngayon, pagdating sa ensayo, you'll get frustrated. Ang mangyari, when you get frustrated, sometimes, when you get frustrated, instead of focusing on the details, you sacrifice the details. Kasi pag sinacrifice mo yung detail na fade away, for example, or speed, mas madali mo siya ma-shoot. Pag mas madali mo siya ma-shoot, hindi ka ma-frustrate. You get me? Pero sometimes, it happens. Or most of the time, it happens. Kaya pagdating dito and you make more mistake, lalo ka sumasablay, ibig sabihin nasa tama ka. Okay? Just continue doing it. Yun yung bagay na kailangan ma-master natin. Pag sumut yan at nadalian ka, you're not doing it right. You get me? Let's go. Go! Nice one. Good job. Now we go with jab other side. It's still the same finishing. Wala tayong babaguhin. We'll just add more dito sa kung paano tayo mag-start. You jab. 1, 2. It's just the same. Ready? Same pa rin. Iniba mo lang yung jab mo. Instead of going jab right, go right, jab right, go left. Quick. Nice one. Nice one. Good, go. Nice one. Good job. Ops, mabagal, tas walang angle. Gab, come on, let's go. Let's go. Go, quick, go. Perfect. So, sige lang. Go. Gab, you're just going straight. Okay? Pati nga ulit. Sige, ulitin mo. Bigay mo. Tingnan mo, ha. Okay, alam mo bakit? Okay. Kay Jason nakaka-fade siya. It's because of the footwork. If you want to fade in any angle, sa kahit saan ka galing, kahit wing, kahit galing ka ng corner or whatever place pinanggalingan mo, if you want to fade, hindi ka mag-end up sa footwork 1, 2 na pantay siya. Pag pantay yung paa mo, 1, 2, you're just going straight. If gusto mo mag-fade, ilalapag mo yung second step mo a little bit shorter. So instead na dito siya manggaling, the normal 1, 1, 2, instead na dito siya lumapag. Dahil fade ka, dito pa lang ilalapag mo na siya. Get me? That's the difference. Hindi ka makaka-fade pag ganito yung position mo. Ang awkward na itsura mo niyan. Get me? So to give support, balance, kahit going right, 1, 2, dito lapag kasi fade ka eh. Yung paa sa likod yung gagamitin mo to balance when you fade. So 1, 1, 2. Ito yung position mo if you want to fade away. Not here. Get me? Kahit subukan mo fade away ng ganitong position, you'll never make it. Kasi wala kang balance dyan. Dito, you'll just struggle at first, pero you'll get your balance in time. Get me? Tira mo yung pa. Yan. Okay, go. Go! Nice one. Perfect. Okay, go. Go! Nice one. Tama, mas nagkaroon ng angle. Okay, hindi pa masyadong maganda, pero still, small different counts. Go! Nice one. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, Son. Nagigets mo, Son, yung balance? Quick, go! Nice one. Perfect, Gab. Quick. Come on, Gab. Quick, go! Fade. Nice one. Mas okay. Mas meron ka ng angle ngayon, Gab. Okay? Mas maganda na yung angle mo. Though hindi pa perfect, but you're improving. Okay? Work on it. Come on. Go. Quick, go! Yun! Hindi lang. Isa pa. Isa pa. Come on, isa pa. Quick, go! Nice one. Good job. Before tayo pumunta sa next drill, tingnan muna natin yung details para alam nyo. Okay? There are at least tatlo. Ano yung tatlo na yun? Yung unang dalawang hakbang mo should be. Bakit? Kasi we want speed. Okay? Hindi natin gusto na maunahan natin siya sa first step, pero ang bagal ng pull-up natin that it will cause the advantage na mawala. For example, pag-drive ko, Son. Nagkaroon ako ng magandang advantage, okay? Medyo naunahan kita. Sumunod ka ngayon. Tapos yung momentum mo going there, pwede na ako umangat. So I have a little bit of space. Pag hindi ko to na-pull up kaagad, yung space na nagkaroon ako, mawawala ka agad yun. Makaka-recover siya. You get me? Now, para ma-maximize natin yung space na nakuha natin, split second, a little bit of inch. Okay, we're talking about inches, 1 or 2 inches separation, split second separation, yun yung sinisave natin. Now, after this one, if explosive ka dito, you have to end up with 1, 2. 1, 2. Dun sa 1, 2 na yun, ready ka na pumulap. Now, second detail. After this one, you have to put your ball from point A to point B kung saan ka titira as quick as possible. Hindi lang yung paa. Kung mabilis yung paa mo, mabagal to, may masasacrifice tayo. I'm not saying sa lahat ng pagkakataon, pero what we're trying to imagine is ito lagi yung sitwasyon. Para pag kailangan na mas mabagal, magiging mas madali na for you. Okay, doon na tayo sa highest level. So, 1, 2, mabilis, point A, point B, quick, and then put a little fade. So, tatlo yun. Okay, so yung paa mo, 1, 2, point A to point B, as quick as possible. Dagdagan mo ng angle yung fade mo. That will you will maximize the separation. You get me? Okay, one more. Next one. Tingnan mo muna yung detail. Small details. 1, 2, go! Perfect. Perfect. Ready? Go! Go! Nice one. Good job. Quick, go! Make it, Son, before tayo matapos dyan. Go! Nice one. Perfect. Go! Make it, Gab. Come on. Go! Go, Gab. Gab, make it. Quick, go! Gab, hindi yun yun. Quick! Quick, go! Now we go with same move, pero 2 dribbles. By this time, you imagine, hindi ka dito nag-stop. Atakin mo siya hanggang doon. Corner ng free throw line or deeper. 1, 2 with the proper angle, not going to the 3-point corner. Okay, this is a bad angle. If as much as possible, kaya mo siya atakihin, papasok. Angle is very important. Mukha lang yung maliit sa umpisa, pero as you go by, ang laki ng difference on. So, Very important, atakin mo, papasok. 1, 2, and then we fade here. 1, 2. Okay, we want angle. We want angle hindi dahil lang gusto natin magkaroon ng angle. Dahil gusto natin kunin yung space niya. Okay, it's either he gets your space or you get his space. You get me? Come on, ready. Ito. Nice one. Perfect. Ops, huwag mo na mag-step back. Ito ko eh. Come on, son. Whoever the defender is, ito ko eh. You want me to turn as wide as I can. Okay, it's either bigyan mo ako ng space or kakainin mo yung space ko. Okay, ready? Go, quick, turn. Nice one. Perfect. Good job, son. Quick, go. Angle. Oh, stop. Diyan ka lang. Kagalaw. Tignan mo, you started here. There's an imaginary line gap. Dito at saka yan. Point A to point B. 1, 2. Tignan mo, nakadalawang dribble ka na, nandiyan ka pa rin. Dapat dalawang dribble, nandun ka na. That's the difference. Pero parehas mabilis, parehas dalawang dribble, parehas ka ng pull-up na gagawin. The difference is, angulo. Okay? The angle ng atake mo. Very important. Come on, Gab. Go. Angle dito. Pasok! Okay. Mali yung ending, pero tama yung angle. Sige, makukuha mo yun. Unti-unti. Come on, son. Go, pasok! Nice one! Perfect. Guys, wala pa tayong bantay. Imagine mo na lang, there's a defender andito. Okay, you give a little bit of bump before tayo matras. Ready? Ops! Ba't ganun takbo mo? Takbo mo lang. 1, 2. Normal lang, Gab. Atake ka. Isipin mo, lilay up ka. Go! 1, 2. Yan! You get me? Okay, ready. So, go! 1, 2. Perfect, son. Work on the angle. Nice one! Perfect! Okay, son. Importante yung detalye na yun, ha? You get me? You have speed, you have size, you have power, maganda ka mag-dribble, maganda footwork mo, pero hindi yun makukumpleto yun. Ang kukumpleto dun is, paano ka ba umatake? Hindi, dito muna ulit. I want to see. Son. Since mas malapit na tayo sa ring, okay, mas meron ka ng, mas maikli na yung kailangan i-travel ng bola, mas nagre-require na siya ng mas mababang lakas para maitira mo siya, mas dagdagan mo ngayon yung fade mo. Get me? Ready? Quick, go! Nice one! Go! Okay, Gab, maganda siya. Compared sa kanina, pero nag-struggle ka sa speed. Pero yung footwork mo, yung intention mo na i-fade away nandun. Okay? And that's why it's better kesa kanina. Okay, what you have to do is just do it again, pero dagdagan mo lang ng speed. Go! Fade! Perfect. Mali lang paa mo sa dulo. Come on, son. Go! 1, 2. Perfect. Good job, son. Go! Quick. Go! 1, 2. Okay, alam mo bakit, Gab? Kasi nag-end up ka lagi ang close eh. Sobrang close ng paa mo ito. Wala kang balance left and right. Okay, kaya ang tendency, dahil wala kang balance, babagalan mo. Okay, I want you to end up like this. 1, 2. Okay, para paglapag nito, diretso talon agad tayo. Ready? Come on. Go! 1, 2. Yun, perfect. Go, ready? Go! 1, 2. Okay, mabagal pa everything. Okay, you have the right detail, pero mabagal pa lahat. Mabagal pa yung atake mo, mabagal pa yung 1, 2, mabagal pa yung angat. But you're getting it, Gab. Okay? Nakukuha mo na siya unti-unti. Come on. Quick, go! 1, 2. Ayun o, kita mo yung huli mong paa? Instead na malapag mo na siya dito para medyo wide, ang nangyayari, na-extend mo hanggang dito, ito itsura mo. Pupull up ka na magkadikit yung paa mo. Get me? Make it wide. Have more balance. Come on, Gab. Go. 1, 2. Ayan o. Huwag mo isunod dito, Gab. Dito, 1, 2. Pagdating dito, medyo i-fade mo na. 1, 2. Okay, come on, son. Let's go. 1, 2. Nice one. Good job. Come on, go. 1, 2. Nice one, Gab. Gets mo? Okay, though mabagal pa siya, pero nag-improve ka. Go. 1, 2. Nice one, Gab. Kabila tayo. Quick, go. 1, 2. Ops, wag mo. Mabilis yung unang dribble, unang step mo eh. Kaso lang nag-hesitate sa pangalawa. Itakbo mo lang. Okay? Paano ka ba lumi-up? Okay? Idiretso mo lang kung paano ka lili-up. Ang pinagkaiba lang, on the second dribble, you stop for a fade away. Quick. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Good job. Son, medyo bumuka ka. You know why? Dito ako sa likod ko. Ito so very important to From here, pag in-extend ko yung arm ko going to 3-point area, ito siya. Ang inatake mo is the corner of the free throw line, which is ito. Okay, hindi ka naman masyado lumayo. What you want is, atake mo yung corner na yun, this one. You get me? So halos walang pinagkaiba yung 3-point corner tsaka yung huli mong atake. Okay, what we want is, ma-take advantage mo, yung size mo, yung strength mo, mas magamit mo siya. We want to attack here. You get me? Pag walang humelp na big man dito, son, and nauna ka doon sa space, mapupunta siya dito sa side mo, ito na yan. Okay? Pag may nakita kang big man, at dahil sumusunod ako sa'yo, medyo nasa likod ako, momentum ko is going there, from here, nabuka mo ako, na-open up mo ako here, sumusunod ako sa'yo, tapos biglang binigyan mo ako ng bump, 1-2, fade. Before dumating sa big man, you'll get separation. Huwag dito. As much as possible, huwag dito. Dito. Aatake mo ko dito. Quick. Go! 1. Nice one. Good job. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Hindi siya actually, merong ibang drill na ganun, kasi ibang type of footwork, ibang type finishing yun. Gagawin din natin yun, pero for now, ito muna tayo. Go! Nice one. Good job. Quick. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Gab. Kulang ka sa talon eh. Okay, pagdating sa talon, binibaby mo na eh. Okay, talon mo talaga. Okay, di ba gusto mo dumunk? O yung imagination mo pag dadunk ka, pag tatalong ka, same goes with here. Kailangan ka pull up. Okay, wag may baby yung talon mo. Ready? Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Perfect. Okay, son, I challenge you to add more speed dito. Okay, yung huling dalawa. Kasi nakikita ko, nakukuha mo na, nagiging comfortable ka na, tapos di mo na realize yung speed na wawala. Speed saan? In everything. Dagdagan mo lang ng 0.5 seconds of everything. Okay, split seconds of everything. Dagdagan mo lang from here to there to pull up everything. Ready? Quick. Ready. Go! 1, 2. Perfect. Good job. Go! 1, 2. Ayan, Gabo. The footwork. Okay? Come on, intindihin mo mabuti, Gab. Just 1, 2. Okay, we don't want to hesitate here. Gusto ko desidido ka. When you get here, 1, 2, balance, and you fade. Okay? Ready? Come on, huwag kang mag-hesitate. Pull up mo lang. Go! 1, 2, pull up. Go! Quick. 1, 2. Nice one, son. Good job. Good job. Come on. Go! 1, 2. Ayan o. Gab. Kulang ka na isang hakbang. Okay, tumitigil ka na dito wherein meron ka pang ganito. Come on, ready? Let's go, son. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Good job. Quick, go! 1, 2. Ups, Gab. Mali yung stop mo. Ulitin mo lang to. 1, 2. This one. Hindi ka facing sa basket, Gab. I want you to attack that one, this angle. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, dapat nakaharap ka sa ring. Masyado ka nakaharap sa ring eh. Shoulder mo yung nasa ring kasi tumatakbo ka eh. Ito yung defender mo, ito itsura mo eh. Hindi naman ganito itsura mo eh. Habang nandito yung bantay mo eh, di nasundutan ka. You get me? You work on the angle, yes. Pero yung angle din ng katawan mo work on it. Hindi pwedeng nakaharap ka sa ring. Kasi kapag nakaharap yung katawan mo sa ring, ito itsura mo. Eh, andito yung bantay mo eh. You get me? Come on, imagine the game, Gab. Imagine the game. When you attack here, imagine mo dito pag atake mo na una to, di ba? Shoulder, ito. 1, 2. So all the way hanggang doon, ito itsura mo, Gab. Hindi ganito itsura mo. You get me? Balikat, andito siya. 1, 2, ito yung pambabump mo. Bump, bump. Saka ka fade dito sa part na to. Go! 1. Yun! Mas okay na. Quick, go! 1, 2. Masyado lang close pa mo. Ilapag mo lang earlier second. Instead na dito ka, ito itsura mo, Gab. Ilagay mo lang dito. Same spot kung saan ka nagkakamali. Like nung sinabi ko sa'yo, isipin mo bakit ka nagkakamali para makorek mo siya kaagad. Okay? Son, next tayo. Same move. We attack with the same angle. 1. Now, ang difference ngayon, yung kanina, pag open up ng lateral niya, nauna ka. Ngayon, ang difference is, hindi ka nauna. Maybe nauna siya ng konti or halos nakasabay siya. But the point is, hindi ka nauna. Get me? Jab. Okay, you have the angle, you have the speed, you have everything, pero medyo nakasabay siya. You will feel it. Yung angle ng katawan niya, yung body niya kung paano siya bumabangga. If medyo nandito siya, son, we have spin, and then we fade here. Quick. Go! 1. Nice one! Okay, teka lang. Okay to. Pagdating mo dito, umistep ka pa ng ganito. Get me? Meron din ganon, pero for now, to son, and then same pull-up ka dito. Kung isipin mo yung pull-up mo son, even after you half spin, is just the same footwork, same angle ng paa kapag hindi ka nag-half spin. Pag hindi ka nag-half spin, you get here, 1, 2. Pag nag-half spin ka, half spin, dito ka rin matatapos. So it's just the same. Kung ano yung itsura mo, kapag di ka nag-half spin, tsaka kapag nag-half spin ka, pag pumulap ka na, ito na talaga itsura mo. You'll still end up here. The speed, everything. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Perfect. Perfect. Ready? Set. Go! 1. Nice one, Gab. Ang problema, Gab, yung angle mo ng fade away. Hindi mo siya makuha. Okay? I challenge you na talagang dagdagan mo yung fade mo. Okay? Baka hindi mo pa siya talaga comfort zone. Pero okay lang yun. I'll give you time. Pero gusto ko, pinipilit mo intindihin. Okay? Execute it well. Come on. Come on. Fade! 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 Yun! Gab! Good job. Okay lang. Tama, tumama sa ring? Tumama sa ring? Hindi tumama sa ring. Pero, tama yung footwork mo. Tama yung angle mo. Yung speed mo nadagdagan. Pero sablay. Pero this is better. Kesa naman na-shoot mo, pero pagdating sa game, di mo siya magagamit. Now, tandaan mo bakit tama yung ginawa mo. Same goes kapag mali ginawa mo, tinatandaan mo bakit mali. Para makorek mo siya. Ngayon tama ginawa mo, tandaan mo din. You try to remember, ano ba ginawa ko bakit tama? Para hindi mo masacrifice yung details. The only thing na nagmumukha siyang mali is because sumablay ka. Pero in this training, it's more perfect dahil sumablay ka. Kasi na-hit natin yung spot na kung saan ka nagsastruggle. And yung spot na kung saan ka nagsastruggle, yun yung papalakasin natin. Go! 1, 2. Perfect, Gab. Okay, son. Dito, it's not just about spinning halfway. It's not just about the bump. Habang umiikot ka saan, tumatama itong shoulder mo eh. Pagdating mo dito, tatama ito sa likod, di ba? You get me? So you have to be able to imagine that will add separation. Pag bump mo dito, bump pa rin to eh. Tatama pa rin yan eh. Okay? So after this one, babalik ka dito. Pero you have to be able to imagine, bago ka mapunta dun sa fadeaway mo, there will be a lot of bumps na mangyayari. Okay? Yun yung imagine mo. Mamaya lalagyan natin ng bantay. Ready? Okay. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Perfect. Gumaganda. Gab. Go! 1, 2. Bump. Nice one, son. Perfect. 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 Nice one, Gab. Go! Bump. Good job. Good job. Quick. Go! Nice one, Gab, man. Meron ka na angle. Okay? Nagkakaroon na ng sense, Gab. Open me up. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Good job. Good job. Come on, Gab. Go! Bump! 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 Nice one. Gab, nagigets mo? Same. Go. Next one. 1, 2. Nice one. Perfect. Nice one. Go. Bump! Nice one. Nice one. 1, 2. Quick, go! 1, 2. Perfect, Gab. Oh, gets mo na? Gets mo na? Good job. Quick, go! 1, 2. Up. Gab, nagmamadali yun. Hindi yun mabilis. Okay? You should know the difference of mabilis sa nagmamadali. Get me? What you did a while ago, mukha lang siya mabilis, pero actually nagmamadali ka. Set. Go! Come on. Nice one. Perfect. Come on. Go! Okay. May napansin lang ako son. First, dribble. First step, explosive. Pagdating sa second, medyo nag-slow down ka na. Okay? Bakit di natin gusto gawin yun? Kasi if in reality talaga makaka-atake ka, then of course, you go for the basket. Okay? Pero kung magsa-slow down ka just because gusto, in-game to magsa-slow down ka just because gusto mo lang mag-fade away, kahit hindi naman yun talaga ang kailangan. You get me? Masasayang yung galaw mo. So syempre, ang pinakagusto natin at first, kaya tayo umaatake, is if kaya mo iwan, walang sasabay, we go straight. Dito, halfway, dito mo mararamdaman if you can go straight. If you cannot go straight, dun ka magmamaneuver. Nice one! Perfect. Quick, go! Ops, 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 ops! Traveling, Okay, ingatan mo yung gap. Traveling ka dito. Okay, sumasama eh. Go! 1, 2. Nice one. Good job. Set. Go! 1, 2. Nice one, Gab! Better, mas maganda. Okay pa ba yung bola? Ready? Go! Nice one. Nice one. Good job. Come on. Ready. Go. Quick, go. Okay.
Coach,
Ha?
alam ko kakabalik mo lang, pero relax.
Na-miss ko yung details eh. Okay, na-miss ko yung, alam mo yun, yung... Tama si Jason, guys. Tama siya. Na-feel niya eh. Na-miss ko talaga yung details when I teach. Sabi ko nga kagabi sa vlog natin kung napanood yun yung one-on-one namin. It's a win-win situation. Tinutulungan ko sila. Pero also, tinutulungan din nila ako makabalik sa pagtuturo. Which is a very positive thing. Baga, tulungan talaga yung nangyayari ngayon sa part namin. They get improved as a player. Ako, I remember what I really do when I started. So, na-feel niya, na-miss ko. Sobra ko na-miss. Nakalimutan ko, wala pa silang break.
Guys, Dayo is back! I repeat, Dayo is back!